This is the new ultralight range of tents from OEX, a range of premium expedition tents designed for people that want to cut down on weight and pack size without sacrificing performance. There's a few different styles to choose from in this range, which we're going to have a look at in a moment. But first, we need to have a look at what makes this range so special. All of the tents use a fabric called SIL nylon to keep you sheltered from the elements. And if there's one thing you should remember from this video, it's how amazing SIL nylon is. SIL nylon is short for siliconized nylon. It's made by applying silicone to both sides of the nylon and allowing it to sink into the fabric itself. This gives us a fantastic waterproof fabric that's durable and lightweight. SIL nylon has great strength and tear resistance and maintains its waterproof qualities over time. The fly sheets on these tents have a hydrostatic head of 1,500 millimeters. That's the equivalent to a column of water 1.5 meters high on top of the fabric before water can come through. In the ultralight range, we have the Fox 1 Plus, the Bobcat 1, the Panther 2, and the Bandicut 2. We also have the feral tarp, which can be used in conjunction with all of the tents in the range. All of the tents come with ultralight guy lines, OEX Enduro aluminium poles and premium aluminium pegs. Also included is a repair kit to cover you for any eventuality. The repair kit includes an emergency pole sleeve, some OEX seam sealant, a brush to apply the seam sealant, and replacement fabric sections. As this range is all about being lightweight, let's look at the lightest tent in the range, the Fox 1 Plus at 860 grams. This is a low-profile single-man tent with a single side entrance. The plus in the name refers to the fact that it has an oversized sleeping area at 230 centimeters long. Most other single-man tents will be around 200 centimeters long. I really like how small the footprint of this tent is. It means you could pitch it almost anywhere, and you could even use natural features like trees and boulders as extra wind shelter. The Fox 1 Plus is for the person that wants the lightest tent possible and doesn't mind sacrificing a bit of headroom. They'll be using it for overnight wild camps and short adventures. There is a small porch area for you to store your boots when you're inside, and it is nice and spacious. This is the Bobcat 1, a single-poled blade design tent that weighs 958 grams. There's a porch area at the front to store your rucksack, and the Bobcat works really well with the feral tarp to create a great sheltered space. Even though this tent weighs under a kilogram, it still has great head space for getting changed and organising your kit. This is the Panther 2. It's a dome-style tent with a skeleton pole design, and it weighs just 1.5 kilograms. The dome construction makes it easy to pitch and move around if you need, gives you a great living space and great headroom. It's even got an entrance on either side for 2 people and a good porch on either side. I really like the idea of this tent for longer expeditions. When you've got more kit, you need more space to organise it. This tent can also be pitched inner first, which is perfect for summer nights when you just want some extra ventilation. The Panther 2 can also be teamed up with the feral tarp to create even more sheltered space, still weighing under 2 kilograms. This is the Bandicut 2. It's a semi-geodesic design that comes in at 1.63 kilograms. The semi-geodesic design of this tent makes it really strong in windy conditions. It also means that it's a freestanding tent, which makes it really easy to re-pitch if you need to. There's a really good sized porch here, which is perfect for making a warm drink or a bit of dinner. So this is a 2-man tent, so it's great for 2 people on overnight wild camps or short adventures, but it also works really well for an individual on a longer trip, where you've got more kit to take with you. This tent just feels so solid, you can barely feel the wind when you're in it. I'd really trust it taking it to a really exposed location where the wind was at its worst. This is the feral tarp. It is a wing-shaped tarp that uses the same SIL nylon fabric as the tent. It weighs just 420 grams and can be used with any of the tents in the range. It can even be used as a standalone shelter. for the person that wants to take the bare minimum of kit. So that was the OEX Ultralite range of tents, all using the strong, lightweight, waterproof seal nylon fabric. Let us know in the comments which one you like the look of the most, or use the link in the description to find out even more information about these tents.